Is giving up bread the hardest part of your keto journey? You're not alone. The warm, fluffy comfort of a good slice of bread is hard to resist. But just because you're cutting carbs doesn't mean you have to cut out bread completely. With the right ingredients and techniques, you can enjoy amazing keto-friendly bread that's low in carbs, full of flavor, and easy to make at home. The trick is to rethink traditional bread ingredients. By swapping out regular flour for almond or coconut flour and avoiding sugar, you can create loaves, buns, and slices that actually help you stay on track with your ketogenic goals. And the best part? They taste so good, you won't miss the real thing at all. Here are 3 easy keto bread recipes that will satisfy your cravings and keep your carb count low. Almond flour bread, serves 8. Ingredients: 1½ cups almond flour, 6 large eggs, separated, 1/4 cup melted butter or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, beat egg whites until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, mix the yolks, almond flour, baking powder, salt, vinegar, and butter. Gently fold in the egg whites. Pour into a greased loaf pan and bake for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Cool before slicing. Fluffy coconut flour buns, make 6. Ingredients: ½ cup coconut flour, 6 eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon psyllium husk, for texture. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Whisk eggs, butter, and salt. Add coconut flour, baking powder, and psyllium husk. Let sit 5 minutes to thicken. Shape into 6 buns and place on a baking tray with parchment paper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden and firm. Great for sandwiches or burgers. Quick keto mug bread, single serving. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons almond flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a microwave-safe mug. Microwave for 90 seconds. Let cool slightly, remove from mug, and slice. Toast it for extra texture. Perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. All these recipes are gluten-free, high in healthy fats, and easy to whip up even on a busy day. You can toast them, slice them for sandwiches, or enjoy with your favorite keto spreads. Don't be afraid to add herbs, seeds, or cheese to customize your bread to your taste. Bread cravings are real, but now you've got options that fit your lifestyle, support your goals, and still taste amazing. Which of these keto bread recipes will you try first? Let me know in the comments and share your own low-carb bread ideas too.